The deadline to file most of the ROC forms for financial year 21-22 is over. I am sure you have filed all your forms with the Registrar of Companies, that is ROC, within the deadline. No? Well, file it now or else you will have to pay additional fees for filing forms. More the period of delay, the more the penalty. Stay with me to find out the penalty for delay in filing ROC forms. Hello and welcome. I am Mayushri from Clear. We have assisted more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Do subscribe to support us and get a clear explanation of business concepts. The Companies Registration Officers and Fees Rules 2014 provides the additional fee or penalty to be paid by a company for the delay in filing the ROC forms. Now let's look at the additional fees or penalties to be paid by a company in case of a delay in filing the ROC forms, including charged documents. For a delay up to 30 days in filing forms, companies will have to pay an additional fee up to 2 times of the normal filing fees. For a delay beyond 30 days up to 60 days, the additional fee is 4 times of the normal filing fees. For a delay of more than 60 days but less than 90 days, the additional fee is 6 times of the normal filing fee. For a delay of 90 to 180 days, the additional fee is 10 times of the normal filing fee, and for a delay beyond 180 days, the additional filing fee is 12 times of the normal filing fee. File your pending ROC forms as soon as possible and reduce the delay and the additional fees to be paid for them along with the regular fees. If you have already filed your forms within the deadline, let us know by writing yes in the comments below. Along with the additional fees or penalty, the Companies Act 2013 also imposes a penalty on the company and its directors for non-filing or late filing certain company forms. The Companies Act 2013 provides that if Form AOC4 and MGT7 are not filed within the deadline, the company will have to pay Rs 10,000 in case of continuing failure plus Rs 100 for each day of delay, subject to a maximum of Rs 2 lakhs. The Managing Director or Chief Financial Officer or any other director to whom the board assigns the responsibility will have to pay a penalty of Rs 10,000 plus 100 for each day of default, subject to a maximum of Rs 50,000. In case of delay in filing Form DIR pre-KYC, the company directors will have to pay a delay fee of Rs 5,000. So folks, I hope you learned the penalty for filing your company forms late. If you have any queries on filing ROC forms, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for more updates.